Yeah, hi friends. Now I want to show you how to create a AWS account. Um, First of all, you need to go to this link aws.amazon.com console. Here we need to click sign in to the console. Yeah, here we can see create a new AWS account. You need to provide a email address, fresh email address. Account name. You need to verify email address. You need to go to the email address. After this is asking password, root password. Let's continue. So this it is asking um, card details. Will debit 2 rupees, Indian rupees, for the confirmation. We give your address and continue. Here we need to provide a card details. We need to continue now. We'll send some OTP to debit 2 rupees. To enter the OTP. Now it is asking some personal details. Which purpose you are using this AWS account, and for verification, it's asking some document. You need to upload any document in this driving license or PAN card or passport, anything, just verification purpose only, whether user is genuine or not. You need to continue. We are asking for another verification. Uh, Need to enter another verification code. Will show basic support plan and developer plan, business plan. Choose this basic support plan, free tier. Complete a sign up. To go to the console. Here in the bottom, need to submit. Showing thank you. Can go directly console like this and select. Otherwise, we can click here, sign in with console. It will take it to you the direct console. See, given this name. This is the account number. You can see here, we are in Mumbai region. And you can see EC2 service. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is a way to create a AWS new account. Thank you.